Yes, class. We learned all the theoretical topic in this chapter in our earlier videos. Now, from today, we will start our very short type numerical of this chapter, in which, first of all, we will solve new ratio, learn numerical of how to be calculate new ratio at the time of retirement. Okay. So we learned two way to get new P and L ratio in this chapter. First, in which we get only information that there is particular partner one, two or more than two, and a existing partner is going. Okay. In second situation, in which a particular partner is existing from firm, but he surrendered his share, he given his share to remaining partner in a particular ratio. Okay. In second ratio there is a various method to find out new ratio, but in this chapter there is only two method for find out new P and L ratio at the time of retirement or death, in which first ratio is too much easy and there is less chance to ask question in board exam. Second method is more important. Okay. And one numerical from in list is asked in a board exam 2017. Okay. So we will start our first numerical of chapter number third, very short type, first numerical. Now I'm start to read it. Okay. ABC, there is three partner in ABC are partner in a firm sharing P and L in 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. Okay. Calculate new P and L ratio and gaining ratio if A retire, if B retire and if C retire. Yes. This one question asked in three ways. Okay. If A retires, if B retires and if C retires. This is numerical numbers first of numerical type, in which first situation is followed. How? Old ratio of all partner is given. Old ratio, old share or ratio is given 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. Okay. Other then there is no other information. Okay. In numerical there is no other information regarding new ratio, that how to we calculate new ratio. If we get only a single information that there is a particular partner and ratio given, and numerical tell us that A is retired and B is retired and C retired, there is no other information regarding new ratio. So these type of numerical how to be solved, I'm telling you, here is solution. Okay. This is start it now. We get information that there is a three partner A, B, C, and their share is 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. Okay. 1 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10. We know that if we want to get ratio of 3 of partner, then these denominator are to be same, the 10 10. Okay. And A share is 1 upon 2, so I will multiply A's share 1 upon 2 by 5. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 5, then 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. 10 10 10 is cancelled, so ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. There is three partner A, B, C, their ratio 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10. We know that if we want to know their ratio, the denominator will be same. Okay. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 5, then 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 10 10 10 cancel, ratio is 5 3 2. Now we will calculate new ratio if A retires. Okay. If A retires, then cancel A, then B and C's ratio is 3 2, old ratio. This is 3 2, and 3 2 is new ratio of B and C. Okay. If B retire, then cancel B, then A and C is 5 and C is 2, then 5 is 2 is new ratio. If C retire, then cancel C, then 5 and 3 is new ratio of A and B, and these new ratio is known as his gaining ratio. In this situation, if we get no information about new ratio or gaining ratio, then These new ratio is treated as gaining ratio. 3:2 is new ratio, gaining ratio. 5:2 new ratio and gaining ratio. And 5:3 is new ratio and gaining ratio of A and B, B and C, A and C, all these. Now again, A, B, C, 3 partner, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10. 10, 10 denominator will be same. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5, then 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10. 10, 10, 10 is cancelled. So if A retire, so cancel A. So ratio of B and C, 3:2 is new ratio. Okay. If B retire, then cancel B. Then A 5 and C 2, then 5 and 2 is new ratio. If C retire, then 5 and 3 of A and B is new ratio, and these new ratio is treated as his gaining ratio. Okay, in this situation, new and gaining both are same. Okay, now we will come to next numerical. First we will read it. This is numerical number. Next, A, B, C are partner. A, B, C are partner in a firm. Their ratio in the firm is 2:1:2. A, B, C are partner in a firm sharing P and L in ratio 2:1:2. A retires and his share is taken by B only. And his share is taken only by B. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Yes, this is second type of P and L ratio. Okay, the second method of calculating new P and L ratio at the time of retirement. In this numerical, that if A retires and his share is acquired by B, so B's share will be rise because he taken share of E, and C's share will be same as it is. There is no change in C's share. Okay, now we will start how to be solved. This is numerical number next. Okay, A, B, C are partner. Their ratio is 2:1:2. 2, A, 1 and 2. B, A retire. This is the arrow. A retire and A's share is acquired by B. A retire and A share is taken by B. A is retired and A share is taken by B here. So we will count A's new ratio first. Then what is the A's new ratio? Okay. B. A retired. First of all, we will calculate B's new share. What is B new share? B's old share is 2:1:2. The B's old share is 1/5. Okay, 1/5 is B's old share, and B get 2 share only, and B get 2 share. Okay, the 2 share is 2:1:2, 2/5. Then 1/5 is B's share. 2/5 is A's share. Then 1/5 plus 2/5 equal to 3/5 is B's new share. Okay. Now next C. C's old share is 2/5 and new is also 2/5. There is no change in C's share because C will get nothing from A. A's whole share only acquired by B. Okay. So B share is 1/5 plus 2/5 equal to 3/5, and C share is only 2/5. Old is gold. 2/5. 5 denominator is cancel. So new ratio of B and C is 3:2. Sorry, by 5:2 by mistake. Here is 3:2. 3:2 is B and C's new ratio. 5 cancel. 3 and 2 is B and C's new ratio. Okay. So in this particular numerical, we seen a new situation, a new type of ratio calculation. There, if A is going, then his share is only taken by B. His share is only taken by B. Okay. So A share is transferred into B's account. A's share is transferred into B's account. So B's share is 1/5 his own and 2/5 of A. So 1/5 plus 2/5 equal to 3/5, and C's share is as it is 2/5. 5 cancel. Then 3:2. Is a mistake in writing. Okay, 3:2 is B's and C's new ratio. Okay, now come to next, our next numerical. Yes, this is important numerical for exam point of view. A, B, C are partner in a firm sharing profit 1 upon 4, 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 20. Okay. B retires and his share is taken by A and C in 1 is to find out new ratio and gaining ratio. Okay. You just open your book in front of you when I'm reading this numerical. Okay. A, B, C are partners sharing 1 upon 4, 2 upon 5, 7 upon 20. B retire and B share is taken by A and C in ratio 1 is to 2. Calculate new ratio and gaining ratio. Here's B retire and B share is taken by A and C. So if B share is taken by A and C, then we will divide B share into two parts, one for A and another for C, because B given his share to both of them, A and C. So we will divide B share into two parts in ratio 1 is to 2. Okay. Now start. His answer, this is, yes, this, yes, start it. A, B, C are partners. Share is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 5 and 7 upon 20. We know that if you want to calculate ratio, the denominator will be same. So 1 upon 5 is multiplied by 5, 2 upon 5 multiplied by 4 and 7 upon 20 is as it is 7 upon 20. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 5 then is 5 upon 20. 2 upon 5 multiplied by 4 then 8 upon 20 and 7 upon 20 is 7 upon 20. Okay. Now next. We know that B is retiring and B share is acquired by A and C in ratio 1 is to 2. So we will divide B share mean 8 upon 20. We will divide B share into in A and C in ratio 1 is to 2. When we will divide it in A and C, these known as A's gain and B's gain, because it's gain of A and C, they will take share of B. So A's gain is 8 upon 20. This is 8 upon 20 multiplied by 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 here. 1 plus 2, 1 upon 3. 8 upon 20 into 1 upon 3 equal to 8 upon 60. And C's gain is same, 8 upon 20 into 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is 1 and 2 and 2 upon 3. 16 upon 20. So A's gain is 8 upon 20 multiplied by 1 upon 3 and C's gain is 8 upon 20 into 2 upon 3. Then 8 upon 60 taken by A and 16 upon 20 taken by C. Okay. These are gain of A and C. Okay. Now next, what is A and C's new share? What is the A and C's new share? We know that A's old share is 5 upon 20 here. 1 second. A's old share is 5 upon 20. This is 5 upon 20. A old share is 5 upon 20 and he get from B 8 upon 20 also, 8 upon 60. So his share will be increased. 5 upon 20 plus 8 upon 60 equal to 23 upon 60. This is. Okay. Again, A's old share is 5 upon 20. He takes from B 8 upon 60. So 5 upon 20 plus 8 upon 60 equal to 23 upon 60. How? 5 upon 20 plus 8 upon 60, LCM is 60. 60 divided by 20, 3 and 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 60 divided by 61 and 1 multiplied by 8, 8. 15 plus 8 equal to 23 upon 60. As it is C's share, C old share is 7 upon 20. Okay. Plus he get from B 16 upon 60. So 7 upon 20 plus 16 upon 60. Same LCM 60 and after calculation this is 37 upon 60. 60 denominator is cancelled. So A's and C's new share is 23 is to 37. These are A's and C's new share. Okay. It's too easy concept. First of all, we will divide C's share. Into two parts. one is get by A and another is get by C. Okay, and these two parts will be added in A and C's old share. Easy concept. First of all, we will divide B share into two parts, and these two parts will be added in A's and C's new share. Okay, and this is our answer of new ratio. 23 is to 37. Now next level is calculated new new ratio, not gaining ratio. Gaining ratio mean new ratio minus old ratio. This is formula of gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. Gain is calculated for only A and C because B is retired. Okay, so gain ratio of A and gain ratio of C, how to be calculated? New ratio of A minus old ratio of A and new ratio of C minus old ratio of C. So first of all, new ratio of A is 23 upon 60 minus old ratio is here 5 upon 20. So 23 upon 60 minus 5 upon 20 equal to 8 upon 60 after calculation. And in case of C, 37 upon 60 minus 7 upon 20 after calculation, this is 16 upon 60. Okay, 60 cancel. This is 8 is to 16 divided by 8 8's table, and then 8's 1 is to 2. Okay, 8 and 16 divided by 8 table. So 1 is to 2 is gain ratio of A and C. So gain ratio is not too much complicated. It's an easy process. New ratio minus old ratio. New ratio of A minus old ratio of A and new ratio of C minus old ratio of C. These are new ratio of A and C. Gaining ratio of A and C. Now come to next numerical. Next numerical is same as it is same in this concept. Now we will see it. First of all, we will learn it here. Okay, yes, this question is asked in board exam 2017. Okay, same as it is, this numerical is asked. A, B, C are partner, share profit in 4 is to 2, 4 is to 3 is to 1. A, B, C are partner, sharing profit 4 is to 3 is to 1. B retires and B sell his share for A and C in rupees 8100, in which A pay 3600 and B and C pay rupees 4500. Calculate new profit ratio and gaining ratio. Okay, I will tell you in short. B retired and B sell his share to A and C, in which A pay 6300 and C pay rupees 4500 to B. Because B is retired, then B will sell his share in favor of A and C, and he will get money from A and C for selling his share, in which A pay to him 3600 and C pay to him 4500 for purchase of share. Now start. This is numerical number 4. Now start it. A, B share is 4 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, B retired. Yes, B retired. B sell his share to A and C. A pay 36 and C pay 45. 3600 and 4500 divided by 9 table, then 4 is to 5 is ratio. Mean B sell his share to A and C into 4 is to 5. So we will divide B's share. We will divide B's share into ratio 4 is to 5. If we divide B's share into 4 is to 5, then these known as A's gain and B's gain. So same as it is just like in our previous numeric. A's gain is 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8 means B's share. This is 431, 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8 into 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 here. And C's gain is same, 3 upon 8 into 5 upon 9. So A's gain is 12 upon 72, and C's gain is 3 into 5, 15 and 72. 15 upon 72 is C's gain. So this is same as our previous numerical. First of all, we will divide B's share into two parts. 4 is to 5, 4 get by A and 5 get by C. So B share is 3 upon 8, 3 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 9 here, and 3 upon 8 multiplied into 5 upon 9 for C. So 12 upon 72 and 15 upon 72 taken by A and C. Now A's new share and C's new share. So we know that what is A's old share. A's old share is here 4 upon 8. Okay, 4 upon 8. Plus he will taken from B's 12 upon 72. So 4 upon 8 plus 12 upon 72 equal to 48 upon 72. As like for C, C's old share is 1 upon 8, this is 431. 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 72, this is 15 upon 72. C had his own share and get from B also. So 1 upon 8 plus 15 upon 72, after calculation this is 24 upon 72, 72 is cancelled, so 48 is to 24. So in short 2 is to 1, 2 is to 1 is new ratio of A and C. Okay, now next gaining ratio of A and C, because after retirement of B, total gain of A and C. Gain ratio mean new ratio minus old ratio, new ratio minus old ratio for A and C. So A's new ratio here 2 upon 3 minus old ratio, this is 4 upon 8. So 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 8 equal to, after calculation, 4 upon 24. For C, 1 upon 8 new ratio and new ratio is 1 upon 3 and old ratio is 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 8, after calculation 5 upon 24. 24 is cancelled. So 4 is to 5 is gaining ratio of A and C. Let's see it again. Gaining ratio mean new ratio minus old ratio for A and C, because B is retired. A's new ratio 2 upon 3 minus A's old ratio 4 upon 8. So 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 8 equal to 4 upon 24. Now next C's gain is C's new ratio 1 upon 3 minus C's old ratio 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 8 equal to 5 upon 24. 5 upon 24 is new ratio, gaining ratio of C. So 24 denominator is cancelled. So 4 is to 5 is gaining ratio of A and C. Okay. Now again from starting, we know that ratio of A, B, C 431. B retired. Okay, B retired. B sell his share to A and C. Okay, amount for rupees 36 and 4500. 36 46 45 divided by 9 staple, then it 4 is to 5. So first of all we will divide B share into two parts, one for A and another for C. And B share is 3 upon 8, the 3 upon into 4 upon 9 and 3 upon into 5 upon 9. 4 upon 9 multiply 12 upon 72 and 3 upon into 5 upon 9 50 upon 72. 12 upon 72 get by A and 15 upon 72 get by C. So A and C's new share mean old plus gain, in short old plus gain. So A's old is 4 upon 8. So 4 upon 8 plus 12 upon 72, 48 upon 72. Okay, and C is 1 upon 8 old plus 15 upon 72 is 24 upon 72. 72 cancel. 48 is to 24. 2 is to 1 is new ratio of, and gain ratio discussed, new minus old. Okay, from today's I will give you assignment homework. Okay, so you will solve your homework and submit it is within 1 day, and these numerical number 1, 2 and 3 will be transferred in your fair copy. Okay, as soon as you will transfer it in your fair copy, all these numerical number 1, 2 and 3. Okay class, thank you.